Have you guys seen these videos? Locked in Walmart, locked in Home Depot, locked in a bathroom? Well, if you so, and especially if you got kids always bothering you, and 50 million other responsibilities.
24 hours just to sew? That is amazing.
But there's only one problem.
You guys know I have my fashion show coming up, so I gotta clean this mess up, and I have so much stuff to do for that.
Hi everyone, I'm Angelina, and this is Blueprint DIY, where we remake our clothes to be just as unique as us.
Baby.
That's enough dancing.
Okay, so that took way too long, and honestly it's only like tidy-ish. So I'm gonna show you guys around. I have my laptop here and my snacks so I can get to work, but before that I'm gonna show you guys around. That's where I'm going to sleep tonight. Right there I have a blanket and a pillow. In here, this is my sewing room. This is where the other sewing machines are, but that's my serger. I have the Brother Lockton 34D. I love it. It is super easy to thread. That's why I love it. And then just stuff everywhere. Because I'm always taking stuff apart. These are projects that I have done or want to do, like clothes that I want to upcycle. I have a card catalog that is not going away. That's going away. That is not going away ever. I'm gonna get some legs for it, some gold legs for it. This is my sewing machine. It is the Burnett. It is they don't make it like that one anymore. They still make the Burnett, but it's pretty now. It's black and white. I have this shelf over here, my two dress forms, Jaleesa and Whitley, and my mom's old serger. And I actually have one of my old architectural models from college, so I think that's cool. That is it. Next time you see it, it will be amazing. I have to go to sleep, and I can only leave to go to the bathroom. So, I mean, you know, and if I need something, then I'll just have to ask the kids. Gabrielle! Can you give me the baskets? Thank you. Have fun. Charlie! Can you give me the broom? Because I'm locked in. I'm locked in my sewing room. Mayo! Yes? Oh, you right there. Can you get the baby wipes? Thank you, sir.
Okay, just to clarify, I'm not one of those mothers who calls their kids all the way from downstairs just to get a remote control that was right next to them. Mom and dad. Okay, at this point, I still hadn't done any sewing, but I was tired, so it was time to go to bed.
We gotta keep it real. Keep it real in this piece.
Okay, now right to bed.
What's good on Netflix?
All right, maybe a little Netflix.
All right, good night. All right, so I am awake, but just barely. I am getting a little bit hungry, so that means I might have to beg somebody to bring me some breakfast, but we'll see.
So let's see how much sewing I actually get done.
All right, so I have spent the better part of maybe 2 hours working out exactly what I am going to do. Bye. Yay. I have laid out the color palette for the fashion show. It is a light blue denim, a pink and red, and a yellow, like a butter yellow. And everything's gonna be each look is gonna be kind of monochromatic. All right, let's get started.
guys are ready for some spoilers. So imagine the back of that Cardi B jacket on a blazer.
And it's going to be the plus size look.
And imagine that upcycle that I did with the paper bag waist jeans, but using these printed pants and a men's dress shirt. And imagine that guayabana shirt that I thrifted, made into a dress with a pointed gathered sleeve.
I am so excited. It is turning out so good so far. I still got to take the collar off. Haven't done that yet. But oh my gosh, the sleeves are turning out perfectly. I still got to sew them in the right direction to make sure they do exactly what I want them to do. But and then, you know, close everything up. But yes, I have still a ton to do, but oh my gosh, I hope you guys can see like the concept, because like it's hard getting it from out here, but oh my gosh, when they walk down the runway, it's gonna be so good. So these are the shorts. I am going to make a shirt with the same style of sleeve for these shorts, and then this is the dress, and it has the men's dress shirt sleeves hanging on the side as well, and it's going to have some pleats along the bottom too, and you know, like varying asymmetrical lengths. And let me see, and then the denim, no, the blazer is going to have the denim back, and then it is also going to have a pair of shorts, and that is my my plus size look.
So yeah, I was locked in there for 24 hours and never left once. Okay, maybe just to move that bag and to go to the bathroom about 3 times. So what would you do with 24 hours uninterrupted in your sewing room? And definitely subscribe so you don't miss the big reveal of my fashion show. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
10,
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Happy New Year!
She has to go to the restroom. That's why she was doing like this.
Yeah, she was like